In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the Share Across Devices feature on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select apps. And then on the right side underneath apps, select advanced app settings. And then where it says share across devices, go ahead and expand that drop down. And then you can turn it off by selecting the off option, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.